Katie Anna. Today I'm going to show you this amazing Jeff Goslin built home with so many incredible features I know you're going to love.
That's right. Today we're talking about 209 Ambergris Lane, a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home with over 3,300 square feet on a Goliath corner lot.
Starting off in this beautiful open living room area, we have these gorgeous cathedral ceilings, Brazilian hardwood floor, and then so many customizations throughout the house. Just imagine hanging out with your family, relaxing, entertaining in this gorgeous, open, beautiful space.
That's right off the living area, you have this beautiful custom kitchen made for entertaining with custom cabinets throughout, granite countertops, and premium stainless steel appliances.
This home features a bar area, a lounge, and a magnificent formal dining room. Every inch of the home has large windows, letting in all of the natural light.
And you're gonna enjoy this outdoor space that's already set up for your next cookout with your family and friends.
And upstairs you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a large landing area for either a playroom or an office.
So one of the coolest features about this house, one of the most amazing things I think, all the hurricanes and storms, this thing has a monstrous generator already hooked up to natural gas, so you're never gonna lose power.
Okay, I want to show you something really special. So look at this amazing custom built closet that is every kid's dream.
Hey, thanks for joining us on the viewing of 209 Ambergris today.
If you have any questions or would love to come see this beautiful home for yourself, contact us and we can schedule a showing.
I'm Charles Dish with Katie Real Estate.
I'm Rachel North with Katie Real Estate.
And thanks for watching.
Bye.